Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable the YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your Android so that you can watch videos while using the other applications. So let's just dive right in. Head over to Play Store application for that and to open it up, and once you open up Play Store, you can just go over and search for YouTube. And once you search for YouTube, head over and look out for update option and make sure this application is updated to the latest version. The picture-in-picture mode only works on the newest YouTube application. Once this is done, you can close this up and head over to your settings application. And once you go to your settings, scroll down, look out for the apps option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, look out for the three dot in the top and select it. And just go over and select the option for special access. And within there, look out for the option of picture-in-picture and tap on it and turn this option on right here. So scroll down, find YouTube, and ensure this toggle option right here is turned on. That will let the Android overlay the video while using applications. Once this is done, you just need to play a YouTube video and press the home button, and the video will sync into a small floating window. You can move it anywhere on the screen or swipe to dismiss. And that is it. Now you can enjoy YouTube videos while multitasking on your Android device. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video.